I want to show you guys in real time how easy it is to seal one of these mason jars. They have both wide mouth and regular size vacuum lids that come with this pack. So you're able to just place it right on top, put the electric sealer right on top, start by just applying a little bit of pressure and hit the power button. It's going to do its thing. This is an empty mason jar, so it's going to take a little bit longer than it would when you have this filled with food. But you can do it with food, with liquid, with a combination, maybe garlic with some olive oil in here to preserve. This is going to help you get an even longer preservation life out of your foods that you have in your mason jars, whether you're making sauces or whatever. It comes with 2 vacuum bags also, where you're able to then seal it, and then it'll suck the air out of these as well. So it takes just under about 40 seconds to do. I'm going to show you and pick it up by just the lid, and this thing is on there. Like, let me just show you. Not easy to take off. This thing does an amazing job. In just a matter of seconds, it just sealed this completely, as though you just bought it from a store and it's been sealed by a manufacturer. But again, it comes with 10 small lids and 10 big lids. Highly, highly recommend this.